How to create multiple products in mass in StoreConnect. Alright, let's take a look at how to create a bulk amount of products in StoreConnect at one time. Go up to the app launcher, search for the StoreConnect config app. Once here, open the product setup option. On this page, click Create Bulk Products. You'll then be asked to configure a product data table, which is basically asking you to set what fields you want to create your new products with. So here we can set the columns first. The available columns are here, and the visible columns, which you're going to populate yourself, are on this side. So it gives us basic things such as the product name, display name, whether the product is active or not, the available on date, which is when it becomes available. But then if I want to add additional fields from the left side, I can. Also, by clicking supplementary, there are even more fields you can choose. So here we have additional fields for the product record, and included already is the product description, but you can add other ones such as the brand, the condition, many to choose from. You can also click on the other tabs here to include a price book entry. So here we have the list price already set up, whether it's active or not, as well as any other options you want to include, as well as then the category. So you can also assign it to a product category as you do this bulk creation. To keep it simple, you can leave it mostly as is and click Save Settings. Now it brings you to a very simple list where you can create as many new products as you want at the same time. By clicking the plus button here, we can add as many rows as we want for as many new products as we want to create. And then we simply just start writing. So here we can edit this, give the first one a product name, we can give it a display name if we want, set if it's active or not, decide if we want to track inventory on it, and set the available on date. For additional options, I can then press the three dots and you get the extended details, including writing a product description for it. And then with the options up here, if we click pricing, we can create in advance our price book entry. So you can select your price book for it, set a price, and choose for it to be active or not. Then also with category, we can select the product category, make sure it's active, and that one's finished. Now I can just continue for as many new products as I want, and once I'm done, I click Save. There's also an option to upload here from a CSV file, and at any time you can also click the settings cogwheel here to include or remove columns from your spreadsheet. There's a back button here, as well as a quick link to your products list view. To make a change to more than one row at the same time, you can also select the rows and then make a change to one of them, as in setting this to active, and I can then choose to update all 4 rows at the same time. This can save a lot of time. Once that's all done, I'll click Save, and now these products will be created. And if any errors occur, you'll then see an error warning beside the affected rows, which you can click on to see the problem. In this case, there are simple duplicates, so that these can then be individually addressed and then recreated. And fantastic, that's all successful now. If we now go have a look at the products list view, we can see that all the products we created have now been added to the products list view. And by clicking one of them, I can see it's got a price book entry. It's assigned to a product category, and all that's needed left now is to upload some media. And that's the basics of creating bulk products in StoreConnect.